Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I will like to show you the way how to save your live section on Instagram on your archive. So the thing that you have to do now is just go open your Instagram application, and whenever you open it, it will be on a home section, but now you need to jump into your profile section. In this profile section, you just need to go into this top right corner with these three straight lines, and then just click it and go click this settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you just need to scrolling down until you found the your app and media right here, and after that you just need to go click the archiving and downloading. And now make sure that you already activate save live to archive, and then you just need to go click it, and now we just need to go back. So this is the final test. Let's just try to having live section on Instagram. Slide your screen into the right side, and after that you just need to take a look in this down part here and go click this live section and start to go live by click this part. And now you are in the live sections, and let's just end this part and go click and now, and you just need to discard this video. Go click this discard, and now let's check either those live is already saved into the archive or not by go back into your profile, go these three straight lines here, and after that you just need to go visit the archive. And now you just need to click this part, and you'll see this live archive right here, and this is the live that you already have before, and just go click this download to save the live video on your mobile phone. So that's the way how to save live videos from Instagram to your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.